Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss with the chapter Be Wise and Healthy, which is our chapter number 8. This is your activity chapter. Now, let us see what are the contents of the chapter. Introduction, games and sports, types of games, team spirit, do boys and girls play together, national teams, traditional games, martial arts, gymnastics, leisure time and relaxation, last bookwork. Now, a game is an activity people do for fun. Games are played for entertainment, for an achievement, or for a reward. Playing games keep us fit and help us maintain a healthy mind, body, and soul. We also learn to take defeat in right spirit by playing games. Now, what is the difference between games and sports? They sound very similar, but there is a slight difference between the games and sports. In games, persons play in teams, and sports, people play individually. This is the main difference between the games and the sports. Games require physical as well as mental strength. Games are played on teams. Every team member contribution counts. People who play games are called players. Now, sports require physical strength and specific skills. In sports, the skills and the abilities of an individual are tested. People who play sports are called sport person. Now there are two types of games. First one, indoor games, and the second one, outdoor games. Indoor games are the games which we play inside of the house, like ludo and carom, and the games which we play outside of the house, like basketball, cricket, they are known as outdoor games. The games also can be categorized in two categories, like individual games and team games. Individual games means there will be one person, and the team games means there will be many persons. In individual games or sports, participants play individually. A single player competes with another player. For example, cycling, swimming, golf, etc. Team games. In team games or sports, two or more players play against a group of same number of players. Means the number of players will be same in both teams. The objective is to win the game together as a team under a set of rules. For example, basketball, cricket, football, etc. Now, team spirit. Striving. The meaning of striving, to play very hard, means to try very hard. To achieve a common goal together is known as team spirit. Friendship and trust amongst the player of a team are important for team spirit. Means the two things, friendship and the trust, which is very important for the team spirit. All members are important irrespective of the state, religion, and the economic background. Important aspects of team spirit: do not cheat and abusive or aggressive. Play with everyone to maintain a team spirit. Respect the decision of an umpire or a referee and the teammates, which is very important to respect each other. Show sportsmanship and learn to take defeat in the right spirit. Do boys and girls play together? Yes. Do a boys and girls should play together because it will develop friendship and it will build team spirit and leadership abilities. All games are meant for boys and girls. Men's and women's represent in India in games like hockey, football, cricket in men's team and in women's team also. Tennis, table tennis, and badminton are some of the national level games that are played both in separate as well as mixed teams. There are certain figures. This is Mithali Raj. She is the captain of the Indian women team cricket, and Geeta Phogat. She is a wrestler. Deepika Kumari. She is an archer. PV Sindhu, she is a badminton player. Hima Das, she is an athlete, and the Mary Kom, she is an a boxer. National teams. Teams that represent a country in competitive sports or a game are called national teams. Sportsperson who play in national teams are called national level players. Some of the famous national players are Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza. Traditional games means the games which are played in India since ancient times are called traditional games. For example, Kho, which is also known as game of chase, boat race, that is known as Vallam Kali, which is played in the festival time Onam in Kerala. Gilli Danda, which are we are familiar with this game. Kabaddi, kite flying, marbles, hopscotch or stapu. In this picture you are able to see the kite flying, boat race, kho, kabaddi and the hopscotch. The martial arts. Martial arts are a form of sports practiced for self-defense and fitness, which is very important in nowadays. Boxing, karate, taekwondo, judo, kung fu, and wrestling are some types of martial arts. Kushti, it is a form of wrestling. The wrestler or pehelwan learns how to fight from his guru or ustad. Thang Ta, which is famous in Manipur, Mushti Yadda, which is famous in Varanasi, Gatka, which is played in Punjab, Silambam, which is played in Tamil Nadu. In the same ways, Mallakhamba, it is famous in Maharashtra, Thoda, which is famous in Himachal Pradesh. Gymnastics. Gymnastic is a sports that require balance, strength and flexibility. It is practiced by men and women. Nats means the people who can walk on the rope. Acrobats means in the picture you are able to see that girl is playing with the rope. In the gymnastic the person should be very active and very fast. In Indian villages, cities and towns to entertain people. Leisure time and relaxation. Relaxation is important for everyone. People relax in their leisure or free time by listening to music, reading books, watching TV, indoor games, computers, etc. It is very important to spend our leisure time wisely because mostly we are busy with the phone. We are watching the TV too much, which is very harmful for our body, which is very harmful for our eyes. Yoga is a type of exercise that helps us to relax our mind. It prevents diseases and improves concentration. Nowadays yoga is very important to keep ourselves healthy, so we should be healthy and wise by participating actively in all kind of games. Means if we will play games, if we are involved in games activity, means we should be always very healthy and very wise. Now the last bookwork. First one is filling the blanks with the correct answers. The answers has been written here. In the same way, this B1 is named the following, and the last one write true or false. You all will fill your book, and this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much.